Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe how to repair your backyard wooden door, or it can be used for any similar doors. You can see my door how it is. Okay, so what happened few days back, of course I'm going to show the pictures at the end, so make sure you watch this video till the end. I'm going to describe everything, tools, how I did. So you see this this bit of wood, this came out. Why? Because it was connected through 3 screws. One was here and one was here, and one was at the bottom. Okay, so maybe because of wear and tear and excessive use, because my backyard, my tenants used this door as their entrance, it just came out and the door was completely broken. So what I did, first I contacted Home Depot. Okay, and they sent my project to their registered handyman. I got various quotes starting from $100 to $250. So I thought, like, $100 or $250 just to put in screws, I thought like it's probably too much. So I needed help. So I spoke to an expert, my ex-manager. He's like, I cannot reveal his name, but he's like a masterpiece. So what he did, like, he described me the steps and I'm gonna describe. Okay, so first of all, what he told me to buy correct size of screw. Of course, screw photo also I'm going to include at the end. So I had purchased 4 inches screw. Again, it depends upon your bit width also, so that 2 inches can stay outside and rest can go inside the concrete. Okay, now when you buy some like high quality screws like this, you see that they have been punched in here, and also, like, I have put 1 2 3 4 5 total I have put in. So they also come with a drill bit. So I got the drill bit too. Okay, and with that I was able to then I had hammer drill. So using hammer drill in the drilling mode, I made the drills here. This was the earlier hole, I did not use this one, 5 holes I made. Okay, now the second challenge was how to put the screws inside, because using a screwdriver may not be a good solution. So what I did, like, I used impact drill. I borrowed it from one of my neighbors. Now these screws I purchased, of course you can see at the bottom it had a message written on the packet that you need to use T30 drawer bit with in order to punch them in. So I purchased T30 drawer bit too, and impact drill I borrowed from my neighbor. So now final steps. Step number 1, I took impact drill, I took hammer drill and punched in right here. Like, I put the wood here and started drilling. So I made drills. Okay, and then I took impact drill and I put the T30 drill bit on top of it, and then I used that to fasten screws. So all went well, and now I saved my money. I'm going to show all the pictures at the end, like repair, broken, then screws, then also repair door, report there, and repair door. Anyway, you are seeing it. So that's how it worked. So in this way I saved $250 guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.